Begin by opening your WordPress website in your browser. When the website loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you will notice the login option waiting for you. Clicking on this login option will allow you to start the process of accessing your account. Once you have initiated the login process, you should look for the button that invites you to continue with Google. This button offers a faster, more secure way to log in. When you click on the Continue with Google option, the system will prompt you to select the Google account that you wish to use. If you have multiple accounts, choose the one you typically use for WordPress. This selection ensures that your login credentials align with previously stored data on your WordPress account. After your Google account is selected, navigate to the Quick Links section. This area is designed to help you quickly jump to key parts of your website's management interface. In this section, you will find an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site takes you directly to the editing interface of your website. This is where the creative part of managing your site becomes possible, giving you the ability to make adjustments and improvements quickly. Once you have entered the editing mode, you should locate your website from the list of available sites. Click on the thumbnail or title that represents your website to begin editing. This action will open the website editor, where you will see a clear and organized layout of the content and design elements. At this point, feel free to review any elements that have already been published as a refresher before making further edits. Now that you are in the editing interface, direct your focus to the top left corner of the screen. There you will see a plus icon. This plus icon is your gateway to adding new content or features to your website. When you click on the icon, you will see a menu with various options designed to enhance your site. In the search bar that appears, take a moment to type in the phrase Vimeo embed. This search functionality is straightforward and will help you locate the specific component designed to integrate Vimeo content directly into your website. After locating the Vimeo embed option from the search results, click on it to add it to your website. This new element will be inserted into your current editing layout, ready for you to configure. You will now be prompted to enter a URL. Enter the URL of the Vimeo content you wish to embed. Once you have typed in the correct link, click on the embed button. This step establishes the connection between your Vimeo content and your website, seamlessly integrating the video into your design. With all your changes and additions in place, make sure you finish by saving your work. Look towards the top right corner once again and click on the Save button. Saving your work ensures that every change you have made is securely recorded and published on your website. Following these instructions allows you to integrate Vimeo content into your WordPress site quickly and efficiently. Enjoy the improved multimedia experience on your website.